Today we'll be fixing an iPhone XR that is looking pretty rough. Seems like it's actively trying not to be powered off. The power slider is attempting to escape. Not today, little iPhone. Not today. After removing two pinna lobes at the bottom, I can start slicing through the screen adhesive around the frame. Two itty-bitty tri-wing screws secure the digitizer and LCD ribbon shield in place. Normally disconnecting the battery is pretty important, but since it's hidden under another shield, I'm going to save some time and just replace the screen with it connected. You definitely shouldn't try this unless you've done hundreds of them previously and know what you're doing. The ear speaker and proximity assembly are held in by 3 Phillips head screws and 1 microscopic tri-wing. There's also a tiny metal bracket over one of the sensors. It doesn't serve any purpose. Carefully prying the assembly up is important so things don't get ripped, and some heat will help as well. Now I'll use the Chon-Li iCopy tool to mirror the original serial numbers over to the new screen. This allows the device to retain True Tone display settings. A successful connection will immediately display the serial info, then pressing read will save that to the iCopy temporarily. Next, I'll connect the new replacement screen, then press write to program the new display. I can't read Chinese, but I think that text says success. 2 strips of protective plastic protect the protective layer over the LCD. That's kind of ironic. I'll drop the proximity and ear speaker flex into the frame at the top of the screen, and replace the silly aluminum clip. Tightening the 4 screws will keep it securely attached to the display panel. After connecting the display ribbons and tightening 2 final tri-wing screws, this device is repaired and hopefully going inside a protective case this time. Thanks a lot for joining me. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.